Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. You can see that this is the amount of money which I have been making with ClickBank in 2020 absolutely on autopilot. Okay, I haven't done a single thing, but still I am receiving this commissions from ClickBank. Okay, from 20 at last in 2019 I promoted some of the products of ClickBank, and this is the earning of probably my December of 2019. And after that I just completely stopped promoting ClickBank, but still in 2020 I got this $127.13 of money. How I got this money? Completely on autopilot without promoting any single product. This is the commission which I am getting from the products which I promoted in the past. Okay, completely on autopilot without doing even a single thing on ClickBank, without logging into ClickBank. And this is what I'm gonna show you. This is what I'm gonna teach you in this strategy, how you can make this kind of passive income without doing almost anything. Okay, 127 is dollar is not bad because you are not doing even a single thing, not even logging into ClickBank, and still you are receiving this kind of money. Okay, so now let's get started, jump into this strategy. Before we jump into the strategy, this is my channel Moneymaker001. I create videos about make money online, affiliate marketing, online business. So if you are interested in all this type of stuff, then do press the subscribe button as well as the like button. Let me refresh the page so that most of the haters may not say that this is something the HTML edit or all that stuff. Okay, so let me refresh it again so that the haters may get a proof that yes, I am earning money with ClickBank. Now let's get started and let me show you the entire strategy. I'm not an active ClickBank promoter. I just promote its products sometimes when I wish. Okay, so now let's get started into the strategy. And before we jump into the strategy, let me promote you one of the things. Okay, so this is known as YT Supremacy. This course teaches you how to do affiliate marketing using YouTube really very easily. And for now, for some period of time, this course is on a extreme discount because you are gonna get $5,000 worth of value into this course, and this course is just costing you $14.95 for now. So you can definitely go and get this course. The link is there in the description. And now let's jump into the strategy and let me show you how you can make this kind of awesome money with ClickBank without even pressing a single button or even without logging in your ClickBank. Okay, so let's get started and let me show you. So now we are in the marketplace of ClickBank. Okay, and we just have to find a product which we are going to promote with this completely autopilot strategy. Okay, so the first thing is that you just go to marketplace and search for any of the product. Okay, for example, for the strategy I have selected a product which is known as Resurge. Okay, this is a weight loss product which is really hot on ClickBank, and it has insane gravity of 806. That's really crazy gravity, and this product is selling like hot cakes. Okay, that's the thing which you need to understand. Now we have got the product. Okay, we are going to promote this product. How we are gonna promote this product? To promote this product, you need to make a free landing page. From where you are gonna make this free landing page is what I'm gonna tell you. All you need to do is go to this offers page. Okay, we go to this offers sales page. So this is the sales page of this offer. All you need to do is use your Windows laptop and just type in snipping tool. Okay, and now you can take a screenshot of this page. Okay, now where we are going to use the screenshot is what I'm gonna tell you. Okay, so once you have took the screenshot using the snipping tool. Okay, in Windows it is snipping tool. For Mac computers you just have to download some another software to do so. Okay, so just take the screenshot. We have got the screenshot. All you are going to do is go to sites.google.com. Okay, and create a website just like this. All you need to do is click on this images and upload your screenshot over here. After you upload your screenshot, all you need to do is click over here on the image and click on this link. Okay, insert link and insert your affiliate link over here. See, I have inserted my affiliate link over here, and all you need to do is click on apply. and all you need to do is publish, and that's it. This is your landing page created in just 5 seconds. Okay, all you need to do then is that just click over here, view published site. Okay, and you can get the affiliate link. So we are on the published site. Okay, all you need to do is copy the link, control A, control C. Oh sorry, let's refresh it. Okay, control A, control C. So we have got the link of our landing page. Now what we are going to do is really something which none of the affiliate gurus are ever going to tell you, but this can get you organic traffic for a very long period of time. Okay, so now let's get started and let me show you from where you are going to get all this organic traffic to your landing page. Okay, so the first thing is that you need to go to Quora. Okay, when you go to Quora, all you need to do is click on this spaces. Okay, that is this page which is known as spaces. Okay, click on that and just click on create a space. Once you click on create a space, you just have to give a name. For example, weight loss. For example, make money online. Anything which you like. Okay, once you give it, write something about the page. Okay, that's done and you're done. Okay, your space has been created. For example, for this purpose of this video, I created a space which is known as weight loss tips. Okay, so this is the space which I have created. Now what you have to do is you just have to find articles related to weight loss. Okay, so this is a space in which I'm gonna promote weight loss products, and that's the reason why I just went to Google and copied an article. Okay, you can copy any of the article of your choice. Okay, so you just have to copy one of the article. So I just copied this article, which is 7-step guide to lose weight in 2020. Okay, so, and what I did was that I just copied and pasted the entire article over here as a post. Okay, so this is not personally owned space, and that's the reason why I am free to post on this page. Now what you have to do is, once you post this thing, okay, the best thing about Quora is that Quora is a very high authority website, and that's the reason why most of the posts on Quora get ranked on Google search, and that's the reason where you are gonna get organic traffic. All you need to do is click on post. Okay, click on post, write something. Okay, and you need to click that stuff. You need to click on this link button and provide the link of your landing page and post it, and that's it. Your post has been put on Quora. Now the thing is that why I chose this article, because this article has a lot of keywords which are related to weight loss, and if someone searches weight loss tips on Google, then there is a great chance that this article of mine can be showed in the Google search results, and that's where all the money comes, because Google drives a lot of traffic to Quora, and that's the reason why there can be a lot of people who are visiting your post from organic Google traffic. So this is the first way in which you are going to get traffic on your Quora space posts. Okay, now another thing which you can do to drive traffic really speedily, it may take some time to get organic traffic from Google. All you need to do is post one article or 2 articles per day on your Quora space. Okay, now all you need to do is click on the share button and this copy link. Now once you have copied this link, you can promote this copied link to YouTube, you can promote those to Twitter, you can promote those to LinkedIn, you can promote those to all the social media platforms. And Quora is a so trusted website that most of the people whom you recommend something from Quora, they are definitely it is a really trusted website, and that's the reason why people really, if someone recommends them some product from Quora, they are willing to buy that. Okay, and that's the reason where we come. That's the reason why we are gonna make a lot of money with this. And another thing about Quora is that if you are sharing this Quora article into Facebook groups, into LinkedIn, into Twitter, you will never ever get banned. Okay, because Quora is a really trusted website, and that's the reason why you will never get banned on any of the websites. Okay, and so this Quora post can act as your landing page, and that's the reason why you are gonna create a lot of this type of posts, and you can drive a lot of traffic to your ClickBank affiliate offers using this very simple strategy. And I don't think anyone has created video about this strategy. This strategy is something which just I have created on my own just by searching some of the things on Google and just combining some of the things which I liked. Okay, and you can do this strategy without spending a single penny. Okay, and this is something which I really did in 2019, and that's the reason why I made $27 from ClickBank without promoting a single product in 2020. For now, I am promoting products which are from other websites, and that's the reason why I'm not promoting ClickBank currently. Okay, but if I start promoting ClickBank, I will definitely make more videos about it, and I will show you newer strategies to promote ClickBank products in 2020. So if you got some value out of this video, press the like button, smash the subscribe button, and the bell notification which will appear next to it. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching. And I also have an Instagram page. Link is there in the description. All you need to do is click that link, follow that page, and that's it. Okay, we'll see you in the next video.